Can be installed out of sight. Progressive braking. Bypasses the 12-volt outlet and charges your battery. Works in virtually any towed vehicle with vacuum-powered brakes. Approximate maximum air pressure, 100 pounds per square inch. Fuse size, 20 amp, operating temperature range, -2 degrees to +150 degrees Fahrenheit, -19 degrees to +66 degrees Celsius, maximum amperage draw, 10.8 amps, idle amperage draw, 6 milliamperes, battery recharging rate, up to 2 amps, approximate maximum air pressure, 100 psi. Top reviews from the United States. A really great brake system for toads. We installed it on our 2017 Jeep Wrangler we tow behind our 40-foot motor coach. Don't let the number of parts, there is a lot, that come in the box or the install instructions scare you. Quite a few very good install videos on YouTube that will show you step by step how to install the system. Follow the videos carefully, it will take you about an afternoon of time and you'll have no problems.